So what I'm doing is I'm looking at setups that give me the highest advantage to make money off the trade. We want to see this candle close higher than those previous candles up here. We're still above the spot. I'm in it. We're still above the 645.50. So now I'm clear to that for my downside. So now what I'm going to do is I'll put my stop here just so I can forget about it, right? Set it and forget it. There we go. I've got my stop below my 9. For you guys, right, it would be the same thing. You'd want to be down here around 645.40-ish. That gives me a little bit of a wick to the downside below that 9 and the 200. But you got to let this work, right? We've got to let this work now. John, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner.
Hello. This might be a dumb question, but
No dumb questions at all. You ask anything you want.
yes, sir. So it's either you stop out in the red or you take profit in the green. You're not touching in between that stop, correct?
Typically, what I'll tell you always is once you're in the green, I move my stop above what I paid. It's a green trade forever. In this spot, if I don't let this work in this whole range, I'm never going to allow this to get to where I want it to go up here. So I'm going to have to be willing on this trade to have some cushion. So I have to be willing to take this $15 loss or whatever I have set up, $15, $20, so that I can look at the potential of making $100. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense. And so you want it to work in that range because you said it was previous day low, right? Or previous day high.
It's previous day close. Yep. So
Okay.
previous day close is in this area.
All right.
Again, now if this wasn't this exact spot, if I wasn't fighting between green and red, I would literally just grab the stop. As soon as this thing went green, I'd put it, 1 or 2 spots above what I paid. It's covered. Rest of the day, do your thing, do your magic. But in this case, I'm in small enough. I'm okay with this risk. I'm going to let it work for a little while. I want to see if I can, turn this into a nice giant trade. If I get a little bit more of a pop, if I see this candle, right, getting above here, I will then take my stop, move it above what I paid, protect this trade literally for the rest of the day if it never comes back. That is now a free trade forever. If I start to get a little bit more distance above what I paid, then I will move that stop above it. If I do it too early, I'm just going to get stopped out 100 times, right? Because it's just going to come down, come down, come down, come down. You see how we're getting a little bit more room here? Now I will move my stop above what I paid. Now, move it one more. That is a free trade the rest of the day as long as I have this in place. So I have no worries now, right? If I was in a larger position, I could take some off, right? Because I always tell you guys collect as it goes. Or I could wait for it to get closer to 646, and then actually that's where I will exit my entry. I can tell you that right now, because the closer we get to the 646, closer we're going to be to a double top, which is where I'll be looking for a pullback. So I will go from a long to 646, and then I'm going to short it up there. Coach, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy, coach. Thanks.
You got it. And boom, right there, right? Now I move my stop, but I'll take the 10. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at setups that give me the highest advantage to make money off the trade. So I'm going to do the opposite of what the whole world wants, right? They'll be like, oh, that can't be right. I don't know. And I'm going to make money. And everybody's going to sit here and be like, are you kidding me? And I'm be like, no, I'm not kidding. Am I right? Bet your ass I am.